If you want to mute camera sound on the Samsung Galaxy A27, then unfortunately there is no dedicated option, button, switcher, or any setting that would allow you to just simply mute the camera sound or just disable the shutter sound. But what we can do is we can go to settings, and over here if you go to sounds and vibration and then choose volume, then over here we have the system volume slider, and you can mute system volume completely to mute camera sound. Unfortunately, it mutes all system sounds that we have available on our smartphone, but this includes the shutter sound as well. Now, if you don't want to mute the system sound, there is a little trick that we can do. So we're going to go back to settings, and this time we want to go to modes and routines. Now go to routines over here at the bottom, use this plus at the top, and then here where we have the if section, we're going to tap over here on this button. And what we need to do is we need to find app. So let's scroll down. There we go. We have app opened. This is what we are looking for. We want to go over here. Press OK if this opens up and choose once again app opened. And we want to choose camera and tap on the done. After that, we're going to go to then over here. Let's choose what should happen when we turn on the camera, when we enable it, when we open it, I mean. And here we want to go to sounds and vibration. And then you want to choose the sound mode and volume. And over here we can turn the system volume down to 0 and then press OK. Now over here we can also choose what should happen when the routine ends, which we don't have to change anything over here. And we're just gonna save. Then we can also set up the name and the icon for the routine. I'm just gonna just set up anything over here. There we go. You can change the name as well, of course, and tap on the done. All right, now the routine has been created, and from now on, whenever you open the camera, the system volume is going to be muted, and as a result, the camera sound is also going to be muted. And if you exit the camera, then the volume for system sounds is going to be reverted back to what it was. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.